From Dogecoin's massive price prediction and major banks offering crypto services to all the latest data and updates, I'm going to talk about some very important things in this video. So stay with me till the end and don't miss out on anything. So first of all, we are now seeing that everything is nicely shaping up for the overall crypto market. We can see here that the overall market sentiment has turned pretty positive as major cryptos are showing significant momentum. From Bitcoin to almost all altcoins, all cryptos have been trading in the green during the last 24 hours. However, while all other cryptos managed to rise by 3 to 5%, Doge managed to surge 10% during this time. We can see here that Doge has been moving above the 13 cents price level, and it appears that it is going to break past the resistance around 14 to 15 cents in the coming days. It is more likely because after moving above its 20-day simple and exponential moving averages, Doge has now managed to move above the 50-day moving average as well. So things are now nicely shaping up for it, and we can expect more gains from it in the coming days or weeks. And now, let's see why Doge has been trading on the up and why it has outperformed other cryptos during this time. So the recent spike in the price of Doge may be attributed to a number of things. Firstly, Dogecoin has recently become more accessible while also having a wider use case. And that is after the virtual currency exchange Bitcoin of America made Doge available on all its crypto ATM machines across the U.S. Meanwhile, it might be important to note that Bitcoin of America boasts of at least 1,800 crypto ATMs scattered across 312 states. So the possibilities of mainstream adoption look endless for Doge. Furthermore, a commission-less crypto trading app Voyager just added support for Doge. Invariably, Voyager users too may now send and receive Dogecoin, and this is just another example of rising Dogecoin adoption. And talking about its rising adoption, there is another huge update for it which may have also affected its price in a positive way. So we are now seeing that Upper East Dental Innovations, a high-end dental clinic located in Manhattan, New York, now accepts Dogecoin, Bitcoin, and Ethereum. It claims to be the first dental office to open its doors to crypto in the heart of the Big Apple. Dr. Shard Harvey, the dentist who owns Upper East Dental Innovations and leads its team of doctors, claims that she is a huge proponent of modern technologies. She sees cryptos as the next stage in the evolution of money, claiming that it is cheaper, faster, and more efficient than fiat currencies. So this is just more and more confirmation of the rising adoption of Dogecoin. And all these updates appear to be the main reason behind this recent surge in its price. All in all, this rising adoption of Dogecoin has been positively affecting its price. And the thing to note here is that this adoption is only going to rise from here. So we can expect Doge to grow in terms of price in the long term as well. And now, let's come to Bitcoin for a minute. So Bitcoin has been showing some pretty positive momentum during the last 24 hours, and things are generally looking pretty amazing for it. We are now seeing that it is trading above the 43K price level, and it appears that Bitcoin is now eyeing to break through the resistance level of 45K in the coming weeks. And it is highly likely that Bitcoin can do it because it has turned its crucial moving averages bullish. Moreover, its daily RSI value and the MACD level are also looking very positive. So we can expect Bitcoin to move to the upside from here. Now, if we talk about Bitcoin's overall performance, the numbers are looking pretty optimistic. According to well-known crypto specialist Credible, an ignored hint in Bitcoin's longer-term chart implies that the bull market is about to start a new leg, propelling Bitcoin to new all-time highs. Credible is saying that he's looking at Bitcoin's 3-week candles and finds a divergence between price movement and RSI, implying that significant, long-term rallies are on the way. Despite the fact that Bitcoin's 50% drop from 69K is substantial, Credible claims that Bitcoin never made a lower low, maintaining its bullish market structure in the longer periods. Another positive thing we are now seeing for Bitcoin is that its supply on exchanges has been decreasing. According to the chain analysis firm Santiment, Bitcoin's supply on exchanges is at its lowest level since December 2018. This is a key date since it marked the bottom of the 2018 bear market. Similarly, a chart by the on-chain analytics platform Into the Block shows over 60K Bitcoin has been taken off exchanges within days, with more than 15,000 Bitcoin flowing out of exchanges on Monday. So this is bullish for Bitcoin because as it happened in 2018, with no selling pressure, the bulls might win and drive the price up yet again. Moreover, we are in a much better position now than we were then. This is because Bitcoin matured a lot during the last couple of years. In fact, Bitcoin's price is now displaying a significant potential for breaking through the consolidation, as the asset might break out at any time. The Bitcoin price is predicted to climb beyond 45K following the breakout, maybe by the end of Q1 2022. So the Bitcoin price is poised to hit a new all-time high in the coming quarter, assuming a positive start. If the bullish trend continues, the rally may rise high enough to reach the intended objective. So it'll not be wrong to say that despite the asset's short-term bearishness, the Bitcoin price is notably bullish over the longer term. Meanwhile, even whales have now realized about Bitcoin's upcoming breakthrough. So let's see what is exactly going on here. So the blockchain data tracker showed a number of transactions involving the acquisition of various assets, but the most recent Bitcoin transaction was that of an FTM whale who bought 222 Bitcoin for around $9 million. On the other hand, Benjamin Cowan, a well-known crypto analyst, is saying that he is keeping a close eye on big Bitcoin wallets. This is because he thinks that they've marked bottoms before. If you look at when they first got into the market, a lot of these wallets you can see their first entry was back in December of 2018. And he believes that these big whales are now getting into the market, and this could signal the next bottom for Bitcoin. Cowan finishes by saying that if market observers notice wealthy Bitcoin players making large purchases in the future, it may be notable. So whales getting their hands into Bitcoin is bullish news for holders in the long run in terms of profit gains and price stability. Moving on, the gold and Bitcoin tussle remains in the news, and this time Robert Kiyosaki has to say something about it. So the author emphasized his support for Bitcoin and noted the advantages of using Bitcoin. He said that the government wants to centralize and control everything. So the reason he supports Bitcoin, and especially blockchain, is that they are decentralized. He further said that while Bitcoin is people's money, gold and silver are God's money. Well, notable people talking positively about Bitcoin has always been great news. Now, let's shed some light on Ethereum and see what's happening with it today. So while the price of Ethereum is moving to the upside after it surpassed 3K, some bullish things have started to happen for it. According to new statistics, Three Arrows Capital has invested at least $110 million in Lido's liquidity pools. So this is a significant either influx into Lido staking pools by Three Arrows Capital happened ahead of the implementation of Ethereum's new validation mechanism in summer 2022. Many analysts are believing the firm's contribution to what seems to be a continual depletion of Ether reserves across crypto exchanges to be a positive indicator. So it's bullish news for ETH in terms of market security and price boost. And now, let's talk about some more optimistic crypto updates. So in recent months, Australia has been steadily increasing its footprint in the crypto world. The nation's largest financial institution, Commonwealth Bank of Australia, announced towards the end of 2021 that its clients would be able to purchase, trade, and hold digital assets such as Bitcoin and Ether. So it became the first Australian organization to do so. And just recently, the bank has stated that it expects to expand its crypto services to meet the whole range of consumer demands, as well as increase the size of its blockchain business. So this is positive news for cryptos, as more and more banks are now showing great interest in cryptos. Moving on, Bityard and Mercurio have officially joined hands to improve crypto payment solutions. Bityard, the world's top crypto swap platform, has partnered with Mercurio to provide more easy and well-organized transactions for its users, including the ability to purchase cryptos by card payment. Bityard has consistently upgraded its services to deliver Bityard users various advanced trading capabilities as one of the fastest-growing exchanges and a beginner-friendly platform. So it's great news for traders and investors since it will make crypto transactions easier, quicker, and more dependable. And another positive news is that now you can pay your taxes with crypto in Florida. Governor Ron DeSantis of Florida has announced that he is working on a scheme that will allow businesses to pay their taxes with cryptos. Speaking at a conference on March 22, the potential 2024 Republican presidential candidates said that he has told the state agencies to figure out ways where if a business wants to pay tax in crypto to Florida, we should be willing to accept that. More legislators in the United States are warming to the crypto business and want to enable digital assets to be used as payment methods, which is great news by all means. So, another good news is that interest in cryptos is growing massively. According to a recent analysis published by financial research and consulting firm Sarah Associates, almost 45% of polled U.S. financial advisors plan to employ crypto in the future in response to client requests. So this clearly means that crypto adoption is going to rise in the future, which is pretty amazing news. And now coming back to Doge, we have just seen that it is making some bullish moves. In fact, it is now expected that it is going to show some more momentum in the future as well. And that's all for today. Stay tuned for more crypto updates, and don't forget to share your opinion about them in the comment section.